first the feet, that one. So you take the wood, this is same in the dimension here. Make a line, make a line, and then you can make the course. So.
Good.
Okay? That's the outside. Okay. Now I take that one, make the same on this, no?
Yeah.
It is thinner.
Yeah,
so
same
no
thing.
problem.
Yeah.
We need an angle like this way. So, it's the first step.
Yep.
Take this also as a, it's easier to
Right,
bring
you
the
have to.
position.
Yep.
So, now we have to cut this later on this way.
Okay.
Okay. I will make the mark first here on this line on the side.
Yeah.
And this is the position from the saw blade.
Yeah.
And this waist is always on this side from the fence.
Okay.
From the side fence.
So we want to line up that line
Yes, exactly.
with this mark back here.
Yeah, exactly.
And this line right here is perfectly in line with the blade.
Exactly.
So we know. Okay.
So it's not 100%, but it's the first near the end mark.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Okay.
You can do that on this way. So. And now we start on the
Start on the tip.
tap.
Yeah.
Top. You see, it's fit perfect now. And we have to cut this small edge. Just here. Don't forget the fence to push them back.
Okay.
So cut.
So you don't cut the aluminum.
inside.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we go here on the angle is to 45 degrees. So.
Looks good to
It
me.
looks good for me also. So now we can check the domino size.
Okay.
We put this together. So we can check the 1050. As you see, it's here too small. Can do, but it's not. It's dangerous a little bit. We take the 840. That's perfect. So then we can measure from outside the center.
Yep.
So you are inch man, I'm a
Yes.
measuring man, I go 4 centimeter.
Yeah.
And then we make a line.
Okay. 3.8 or something.
3.8, yes,
Yeah.
exactly. So I will show you also a trick now to make this in a faster way. We'll take this one and go with the mark on this side.
That's smart. So instead of doing each one individually,
yes,
you'll
and
just
you
keep
can make
transferring
also
over
the
each
same
one.
way
Yeah, and
on
then you
that
come
one.
back.
Yeah? So
That is a good trick.
okay, and it's much faster than the other way.
Yeah.
And I have always the same dimension.
Yeah, yeah, and you can transfer across all.
Okay.
I love it.
You hear always the quality when you make the domino to make a water bit change, the
Yeah.
plop.
Yeah.
You know the plop.
That's like the air
air
tight. Yeah.
inside.
That was by design.
Yeah.
Then you knew you had it right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you need also not too much power to close it together. It's running on the right side and closed. We have 20 millimeter material, and we have 20 mil position, so the domino is exactly in the middle side.
Perfect.
So,
It's almost like it was designed with purpose.
yeah, okay. So then the deepness, it's 20 millimeter, so it's also very easy to use. So I make the first. Okay, and then that one in the same way.
And the height is right?
The height is
Because
the
that was-
same.
That was the
We are
point.
outside.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we've got these pieces done right now, and we're going to put the domino in. And then when the domino goes in, you're going to see that it pokes through right here. So now Wolfgang is saying that we're going to keep the domino in. And he's got it set up so that we can use the domino cutter. And now it's gone and trimmed that domino so that a second one can fit in and they can both be sticking out at an equal distance. Okay, so now we've got all the pieces all done and ready to go, and we're going to assemble it here, and then we're going to take it apart. I'm going to pack it up in my suitcase and take it back to Canada, and then I'll glue it and fit it together so I have it back there, because it'll be kind of hard to fit into my suitcase.
Last one, make it together. Inside. When you glue it together, you can put these steps inside
Okay,
here.
so it keeps it the
So
right
it's-
distance.
when you go with the clamps, it's
Yeah.
completely in the right angle.
Got
It's
it,
very
got
easy to clamp it together, and it's later on exactly not wobbling. It's
Yeah.
standing perfectly on the floor.
Great idea. So Wolfgang has also prepared for me the tabletop, and so we can use the domino to put these all together, obviously. But he's got another way he's going to show me how to connect the tabletop to the base using an idea with this wood and the domino.
Yes, you can fix. You can make an own connector to bring the blade on the frame.
Yeah.
You cut with a domino a hole inside, 8 millimeter or 10 millimeter.
Yeah.
That's with the hole.
Okay.
And you cut out that one with the saw.
Yeah.
Cut them here.
Okay.
Drill a hole inside here.
Yeah.
And then you can fix the blade
Yeah.
on the frame.
So it kind of acts like a Z-clip on the bottom side to attach the frame.
Yeah. And that's the good is this technique. the material is going up and down summer and winter, and when you make it with this that way, the material can go a little bit move, and so it's not a split inside the material.
So you'll cut the domino hole a little bit larger to allow for that movement.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah.
Bring the biggest domino hole inside, and this is smaller, and so the blade can a little bit move on the top. And we can go out 10 millimeter or so, 10 centimeter or so, 10. So I mark that one.
Yeah.
We need here the side from the domino.
Okay.
So here must the domino go inside.
Right, because it's going to take that piece right there that's going to fit inside here,
yes.
and this gets cut off.
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect.